Polynomials and Factorisation, exercise 2.1, part 3. Write whether the following statements are true or false and justify your answer. Here, some statements are given. We have to write whether they are true or false. Also, the reasons behind our answer. So, the first bit, a binomial has two terms. So, what is a binomial? It is a polynomial with two terms. A monomial is a polynomial with one term. A binomial has two terms. And a trinomial has three terms. And a multinomial has more than three terms. So, a binomial is a polynomial with two terms. This statement is true. Every polynomial is a binomial. No, as discussed above, a polynomial can be a monomial, binomial, trinomial or multinomial. So there is no rule that every polynomial is a binomial. So this statement is false. Third bit, a binomial may have degree 3. Here, a polynomial can have any degree. Similarly, a binomial also can have any degree. So, the only rule is that a binomial must have two terms. Okay? If that is satisfied, can also have a degree 3. So, the statement is true. Degree of 0 polynomial is 0. The statement is false because the degree of a 0 polynomial is undefined. It is not 0. The degree of a 0 polynomial is undefined. So, this statement is false. The degree of a polynomial x square plus 2xy plus y square is 2. Here, in order to find the degree of a polynomial, we have to first check the variable terms in the polynomial. So, what are the variable terms here? All the three terms are variable terms because all the three terms contain variables. X square is a variable term, y square is a variable term, 2xy is also a variable term. So, here what is the highest degree? X square, y square, they have 2 each. And 2 is the highest degree here. So, the degree of the polynomial is the highest degree of the variable terms in the polynomial. So, here the degree of the polynomial is 2. So, this particular statement is true. Pi r square is a monomial. So, in order to check whether a particular polynomial is a monomial or not, we have to first check the number of terms. Pi r square. So, this entire thing is one single term. There are no more terms. So, if a polynomial has one term, it is called a monomial. So, this statement is true. Sixth problem. Give one example each of a monomial and trinomial of degree 10. So, monomial means it should have one term and they have asked that the degree should be 10. So, for example, 5x to the power of 10. What is the variable here in this polynomial? It is only x. So, what is the power of x? It is 10. And a monomial will have only one term. So, 5x to the power of 10. For example, this is a monomial of degree 10. Next, trinomial. Okay, monomial means one term. Trinomial must have three terms. So, 3x to the power of 10 plus 2x square plus 1. Again, what are the variable terms? This one and this one. So, here x has degree 10 or power 10. Here x has power 2. What is the highest degree? What is the highest number of these two? 10 or 2? It is 10. So, the degree of the entire polynomial is also 10. So, this polynomial has degree 10 and because it has three terms, it is called a trinomial. So, 3x power 10 plus 2x square plus 1 is a trinomial of degree 10. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting maths videos on